This vacuum claims a very high suction power, and in its max mode, I believe it. I took it to my main entryway rug where tiny bits of dirt and cat litter get ground in. On its highest setting, the X7A pulled up an embarrassing amount of grit that my older, more expensive vacuum had been missing. The floorhead has bright LED lights, which I initially thought were a gimmick. I was wrong. They cast a low-angle light across my hardwood floors, illuminating every single dust bunny and cat hair I would have otherwise missed. Second is the Smart Touch display. This is a feature you just don't see at this price. Instead of guessing how much power is left from 3 blinking dots, the X7A gives you a clear percentage readout. More importantly, it shows you which of the 3 suction modes you're in. I found I used standard mode for 80% of my cleaning on hard floors, medium for my low-pile rugs, and only saved that battery-destroying max mode for really tough spots. Finally, the anti-tangle brush roll. With 2 long-haired cats, this was a key test. I'd say it's about 90% effective. After a full month, I did have to get in there with scissors to cut away some wrapped hair, but it's a massive improvement over older models that would clog after 2 or 3 uses.